Prague is a very important hub for SAP Concur. During these 2 days here, customers had the possibility to share best practices, to understand the value of expertise and care services, and to meet all the solutions experts and consultants here in Prague.
I had the opportunity to learn a lot. We went through the expense, the report, the invoice, the travel part, and in the future for my company I will be sure to apply all the new things that I learned here.
For me, the most important is the process for the intelligent artificial, the improve in the future, and probably the role for the one person that helped during the process for SAP Concur.
We stayed together with a lot of companies inside the room. We worked together. Then we went to a dinner and we did also a tour inside the building and see the connection that all the teams here have to improve our experience. So it was a great opportunity.
Actually, I think this event exceeded my expectations because we got the chance to speak directly with some of the experts. Also meeting some people of the different areas and to understand what are the connections between the different modules of Concur was really nice, and I think I come back with a lot of knowledge.